Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Go That High. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song with a capo on the 4th fret. If you're in need of a capo, there is a link to one in the description below, so feel free to check that out. However, let's delve in with the opening part of the song, which has 4 chord shapes. I'll break those down. I'll then talk about the strumming and then the structure, and then a bit of an interesting change near the end of the song, so watch out for that because it can easily catch us out. So let's break down the introduction. We have F major, which is a 3 on the D, 2 on the G, 1, 1 on the B and E. We won't play the bottom 2 strings for this, E and A. Chord 2 is A minor, which is an open A, 2, 2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and 0 on the high E. We can then move one finger to get C major. That is a 3 on the A, 2 on the D, an open G, 1 on the B, and an open E. We're not playing the E string for that chord. And what's going to happen is, after those 3 chords, we actually go back to an F major to end the chord progression. So we'll have F, A minor, C, F, which then repeats itself. So when you finish with F, you start again with F. Let me show you. So there's our last chord of F, but the whole thing starts again with F. And so on. And let's break down that strumming pattern because there's a lot going on there and it is really fast. So slowly we have down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or if you prefer to count along, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. And what we're going to do is play that strumming pattern twice per chord, really fast. Now, after you've played that round once for the introduction, we get the first verse. That's when the vocal part comes in, and we play the same set of chords round twice. Now, it is worth mentioning that if you'd like the chord chart for this song, which has the full structure and all the chords with how long they hold for in every part of the song, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along, and you need to know which chord goes with which lyric, head on over to Patreon. I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases over the past few years. So feel free to check that out. However, looking over to my notes, which is what I've put on Patreon, most of the song are those photo chords over and over and over, with an exception. The last chorus, there is a bit of a difference where it plays around 4 times. Vocally, it's just repeating the chorus part. We have the same chords, but the first 2 times round, we sustain the chords. All I mean by that is we'll play the chord once and we're going to let that ring out for 4 beats. As an example, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor 2, 3, 4, C 2, 3, 4, F 2, 3, 4. That's the first time round. You'll then loop that round again, so sustain it a second time. But then the last 2 times round, go back to strumming, full on, nice and lively, and that will get you to the end of the song. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and consider getting that extra material on Patreon. In fact, the people floating by on the screen, those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they will get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.